Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to move contacts from SIM card to internal storage. So let's start friends. So friends, first you have to open your phone call app, click on contacts, click on three dots and click on settings. Here it is. You have to click on this contacts. You can go to this contacts also, just right here in the this search bar contacts, tap on this and you will see here it is the ID, and from here you can restore your contacts from here. If you want to move contacts from SIM card to internal storage, you can just backup from SIM card to internal storage. From here you can see restore contacts backup from your Android device. Here it is manage SIM, import or delete contacts from SIMs. From here you can import your SIM card contacts to your internal storage. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.